Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you also have lumber everywhere and want to get it off the ground, these racks from YYR are exactly what you need. So I have them in black. They came in a set of 4. They do include screws. You mount them on the wall really simply. You just pre-drill your holes and then you screw them on. To make sure they're lined up, we put a 2x4 on the already installed rack and then put a level on top and made sure that the second rack would line up properly. It's best to do with 2 people if you can. Once this is on the wall, you can load this up with all of your wood. So we have 2x4s on here, 4x4s, so it can hold all sorts of things. Not only just wood, but you could put skis or anything long and slim that you want to store off the ground. Each level can hold up to 200 pounds, so you can really load these up and organize yourself. It's really nice for a shop or out in a garage. You could even turn these into shelves if you wanted to, so lots of uses. We're really pleased with them. We needed a solution for all of the extra wood we have from construction projects, and this is it. So I definitely think that you'll be happy with them too, and that's my point of view.